They go, that's it. If the program now finish and I say, hey bro, come on, take this one, take this one. Everybody say, thank you, sir, thank you. They'll go away, everybody go. I think they slept in my place yesterday. Whatever that was available, that's what we ate. I didn't kill anybody. What would they eat? Everybody eat, everybody go to their room, go sleep. No, I was wearing boxers, walking around. Hey, after I check shoulder. I woke up early this morning, I started waking up. Oh yeah. That's it. That's it. But time will come, when we'll start growing and things will change. Now I can be rolling, I can be around doing everything, you can be seeing me. Time will come when you will not see me. I will not even be doing this kind of meeting. No, I won't do it. But that time, people that don't know me say, you get pride, you don't know anything. You don't know how we started. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. So this is because of excellence. That's why now you have more advantage than the people that will come tomorrow. And if you are here tomorrow again, you learn more things. The people that will come on Saturday in their mind, they think they are learning something, but you guys are already ahead. You guys are already ahead. So that's how I'll teach you guys a lot. I'm tempted to tell you guys what I want to teach about on Saturday, but I don't want to do it. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe you. I'm tempted. But just know that your life will change, your business will change. Like tangibility. I'll teach you things, I will show you. I will show you how it works. I will show you many things that I've done and how I've done them, step by step. How you can also do them. It does not matter whether you're in Kafanchan, and you will get a result. If I decide to stay in this Kaduna, I will still make money. The way I will make money here in this country. I will still do well. I will still work with the top guys in this Kaduna. There is a secret. There is a way to do it. And that's what I will teach you.